Okay, so talking about sharing information. One, if you had, check this material. What is it? This one is?
verb.
Okay.
One verb.
Okay. Are they the same?
No.
Do they have a characteristic in common?
Yes, they modify the verb.
Yes, all of them?
No.
What is the characteristic they have in common?
They are prepared to make questions.
Okay, all of these help you to make questions. All of these. But only these ones, no more. 21 words in English for interrogative sentences. And that's it. You know how long does it take me to teach all the grammar for a group? 2 hours. And I tell them, in 2 hours, I'm going to teach you all the grammar in English. And forget about the problem. The only thing that we are going to do then is practice. But in 2 hours, you are going to learn all the grammar in English. If you want to talk in present, in past, present perfect, past perfect, I never tell them present perfect. No, they don't know. Even in Spanish, they don't know, right? But I tell them, with this, you are going to learn how to express something that happened and it's over, or something that happened and is repeated again, something that is going to happen in the future, something that you do always, something that you are doing in this moment, an ability, an obligation. You are going to be able to express all those ideas using these 20 words. Yes, I took away one shot. Okay, it says, what do they have in common? They make interrogative sentences. And obvious? Negative sentences, right? It says negative sentences. And like they said, they modify the verbs. All of them? No, not all of them. Which one no? Verb to be? Okay, the verb to be doesn't modify verbs. Another one?
Do and does.
Do and does. Did.
Has.
Okay, yes. Okay, so we are teachers. We know how to divide it, yes. When it's just an auxiliary, it's a modified auxiliary. They are different, right? We know it because we're a teacher. Do you think the students understand what is the difference between them?
No.
Yes, but I tell them, okay, this one, they are going to help you, yes, to indicate different times, different tense when you're speaking, yes? And the characteristics of this is that they can make questions, negative, and the most important thing, the time. They help you to indicate the time, the idea that you want to express, yes? So that's why all of them are similar. They are not the same, but they are similar, yes? Okay, and so we have them here in affirmative, yes? And so in the pack, we have them in negative. Here you can check the negative form, right? For example, this one, if it can be contraction, you say, oh, wasn't, is aren't, hadn't, here you have them. But for example, oh, check this one. Oh, it's different, right? Okay, it says it's like this. Check it out. Oh, this one, no contraction, yes? Okay. And so, they learn them. Okay, what is the idea or the up to?
Giving advice?
Advice. That is just the idea, right? When you want to give an advice, that is the idea. What about where? In the past. There's something in the past. What about should?
Advice.
An advice that is similar to? Up to. What about does?
Abilities, routines, present.
It says, watch out, because if you tell them abilities, they get confused with verb and auxiliary.
Sorry, routines.
Yes, it says, oh, when you use that, it's for questions and negative for routine. Something that always happens. Have you ever asked your student what is present? Because we teach present, right? You say, oh, present tense. Have you ever asked your students what is present? What do they say?
what's happening in this moment.
And I say, no, right? No, attention, that is not present. And I says, yeah, present is now in this moment. He says, no, that is present. Present means something that is happening in this moment, and it's different. You know what is present? Always happen. It's a routine, and they get the difference not because of the name, present perfect. No. They get the idea because of the context, of the general idea of the meaning, when to use it, right? Okay, this says might.
Possibility.
Oh, possibility, but very far. Possibility. Did. What is past tense?
Something
Finish. That is the characteristic. Finish. Yes? Because I said, oh, there are different past tense. Yeah, teacher, yeah. But this is used when something happened, it's over, finish. Yes, that is the characteristic. Don't forget it. It says have, and it says the verb. And it says, watch out, okay? So have, it has two meanings, yes? This case, this is an auxiliary. Yes, so auxiliary, no possession. What is it, have? How can you explain have for students?
When something happened in the past, but still.
Oh, okay. This one you use it. If you use it for present perfect. Oh yes, that's good, right? It says no. You use have when you want to mention something that began in the past and continue, what can be repeated in the present or in the future. Yes, that is have. What about
Present or certain.
oh, present, just for me, right? It says I am, just present tense, right? That's it, present. What is present? Always a routine. Would.
Like a dream.
Something
Like a dream, like a fantasy. We use when we are imagining something, right? Okay, what about has?
Present.
Beginning the past, continue in present. But for he, she, and he, blah, blah, blah. Is, oh, he's present. What is can? Ability. What is do? Routine, always. What is must? An obligation. What is made? Possibility or? Permission. Was. Past. Finish. Remember, this is finished. Past. Or present. Had. If you show past perfect, yeah, they learn it. Past perfect tense. Explain past perfect.
It began in the past and finished in the past.
It's an action that happened before another.
Yes. Okay, two action in the past. This is two action in the past. One did happen and finish. But this one is before that. It's previous past tense, right? So two action. But this is first and then did. Okay, they get the idea when to use it. If you give them the terms present perfect, past perfect, progressive, blah 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 blah. Sorry, it doesn't work. Good.
Ability
Past tense or
in future.
in future, probability in future, right? Will.
Future.
Future, that's it. Yes? Okay.